Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to share our weekly physical activity planners. Firstly, log on to twinkle.com.au. Then click on Australia, scroll down and find School Closure Home Learning Resources. Click on this link to see more. Now select the relevant year level to your child. We have Foundation to Year 2, 3 to 4 and 5 to 6. For today I'm going to show you Years 3 to 4. On this page, we have so many different resources for home learning for children in Years 3 to 4. For today, we're going to have a look at the movement and activity resources. Click on Movement and Activity, and here you will see our new physical activity school closure interactive links. Click on the one that's relevant to your week. I'm going to click on week 2 and click Download Now. This interactive PDF has the title of the activity, has a short description, and the time needed to complete it. And you've got the days to follow. So day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10. And each activity is linked to a particular resource. You can click and find this resource by clicking on the image and it will take you straight to that page. And here you have it, Joe Wick's 5-minute workout cards 2. Click to download. You can click to see the video for a demonstration of the workouts, or you can read the instructions and follow those for your workout. Very simple and easy to follow, and children will have a blast moving about and learning. For more fun and engaging physical activity resources, come back to the main page of Movement Activity and you'll see the links for week 3 and week 4. We'll be having more weeks added very shortly, so keep your eyes peeled for those. If you're looking for more physical educational resources, click on Resources, click on Move, click on Australian Curriculum, and here you will see our Twinkl Move resources from Foundation up to Year 6. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.